Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, children. You're in Unit 2, not-for-profit organization. Okay, accounts of not-for-profit organizations. Now, we have seen different types of organizations: sole proprietor form of organization, partnership form of organization, company accounts, and how you're supposed to, what are the accounting treatments applicable for a company form of an organization. Now, when you're having an organization which, the intention of the organization is not to make profit, but to give service, like literary associations, like, golf club, or you can say a badminton club, or swimming club, or whatever. Okay, now these clubs, how are they going to maintain their accounts? So we saw receipts and payments account. With the receipts and payments account, you can prepare the income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account is very similar to the profit and loss account. In the only difference is where you will be showing, here we'll be showing a deficit account and a surplus account. Okay, how much of money you require, okay, how much of money you're spending. Okay, all that you will be able to do in your income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account is nothing but it's a nominal account, right? Now, in this problem, we're going to see problem number 19. Compute capital fund of Salem Sports Club as on 1/4/2019. They've given you the following details, right? Sports club, you can say, sports equipments they have. What are the sports equipments? What is the total of sports equipment? 30,000. It will go to your asset side. Computer will go to your asset side. Outstanding, again, asset side. Your subscription received in advance will come to your liability side. Prize fund, so it is going to go to your liability side. Investment, prize fund investment to your asset side. Cash in hand, again to the asset side, again to the asset side. So very few things to your liability side. You can put a cross. What all will go to your liability side? They want to find out capital fund. So you have to find out your capital fund, which will be in your liability side, right? Now let us calculate, let us do our balance sheet. Okay, now did you know what all should go where? Balance sheet of Salem Sports Club, right? Salem Sports Club as on 31st March 2019. Now first we'll finish off our asset side, right? Now, what all you have in your asset side? First, you have sports equipment, 30,000. Okay, sports equipment, 30,000. Then you had one computer there, right? 25,000. Okay. Now, what are the other items you have there? You have an outstanding, subscription outstanding, right? Okay, let me lift up the page so that it's visible for you. Okay. For subscription outstanding. Outstanding for the current year, isn't it? That is 5,000. So look at the year very carefully. Okay. Next, what did you have? Prize fund investment. Prize fund investment. So what was the amount for the prize fund investment? 10,000. Right. Okay. Next you have cash in hand and cash at bank. Fine. So we'll write your cash in hand. Cash in hand. How much is cash in hand? 7,000. Cash at bank 21,000. Cash at bank 21,000. Right? Okay, now that we have done with the asset side, let us go to the liability side. Right? Capital fund. Capital fund, you don't know. It's a balancing figure. Right? This is what they've asked you to find. Then what else is there in the liability side? You had a price fund. Right? Price fund. Okay. What is the total of your price fund? 10,000 rupees. Then you had one more figure. What is that? Subscription received in advance. Subscription received in advance. How much is that? 8,000. Right? That's it. You don't have any other figure. Let us total this side, total the asset side. You have to balance it. Okay. Now let us see what is the total into the asset side. You have 30, 25, 60, 60,000, 70,000, 70, 80, 90, 98, right? 98,000. Bring the same thing this side, 98,000. 98 minus 18,000. So that is 80,000. Right. So that's it. Your capital fund is 90,000. So you can write your capital fund is 90,000. Fine. So that's it, children. Next, I'll teach you problem number 20. Thank you.